Alright, today on this Fantabby Does episode I'm going to show you how to take down a lath and plastered ceiling or a lath and plaster, however you want to pronounce it. So basically what I've been doing is I've been going around now and I've been sorting all the floor out to protect all the carpet. So I've protected all the carpet and everything, and now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start to take the ceiling down. So when you take the ceiling down, you must remember you need your apparatus, so you'll need something with mask over your face, and you'll need some eye protection, because this was built 1937 and was nearly 100 years old, so I don't know what's going to be up there. Also as well, behind here is I've buried all this behind here. I put some board here, and I put this over here to stop any anything hitting my wood burning stove. So I've protected that and I've protected all the floor. So with that said, I think I'm going to get started. So I get straight to it and start knocking all the plaster down off the, the plaster down off the laths really. That's what I'm starting to do. And obviously at first it's a bit painstaking. So I start getting so far through it and I think to myself, well, I'll start cleaning up as I go along. Well, trust me, that doesn't last very long. And then I just decide to start thinking, I'm just best off just trying to get it down as quick as I can and just sweeping it up to one side. Anyway, so I carry on with doing that. So obviously as you see me now, look at the light and I think, right, decide to tap round the light. So I start tapping round all the light and I start taking all the plaster down round the light. So I know that's safe now and I can just start smashing it down, because obviously now as you go along, it starts to come down a lot easier because it's not as compact anymore, because there's nothing there to hold on for it to hold together, because as one it holds together, but as more you take down the weaker it gets basically. So I'm going to do that. Now what I wanted to do is I wanted to hold on to the coving. I wanted to keep the existing coving up. I didn't want that to come down. So what I had done was I just went round the edge with a multi-tool and made obviously a line going right round, cut it all through, and then basically once I started smashing it up again, which I'm showing you now, it basically just came down. I had no problems. That's it now really. Basically I may as well just show you how I got on and how I did it, and I'll show you all the way through. So with that said, let's get cracked on. Righty, so at last I've got somewhere now, so basically I've just got to take all the laths down here, just like I've done here, basically. So once all that's done, all the laths are done, it's just a big clean up. So let's get on with that. telling you now, if you're going to do this for yourself and rip all this down, you're going to be charging about 1,500 quid to do a job like this for a tradesman. I'm telling you now, if you're going to plaster it all, put the boards back up, you'll need someone with you and you're going to have to pay them a lot of money. I started this at 10 o'clock this morning, it is now 7 o'clock at night. Well, and I've still got to clean up. Well, let's get cracked on. And there we have it, all nice and clean, all sorted, all done. So let's give you a little bit of a grand tour of what's been going on. So I've got everything up on the, all the carpet's clean now, all lovely. If you don't believe me, they're around here as well. Okay, we've got all sounds a pound. The ceiling, that's down. That's down around there as well. So from where I was to where I am now is a completely different story. So I'm ready for the next bit now, which will obviously be put the ceiling up, and I'll be showing you that, and to fix all that over there, that'll be the next bit, and then we'll be on to the plastering. So if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and all that good stuff, thumbs up, and yeah, I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks very much.